Hey VanGang, this is Toya. So today we are going to be doing one part of my three-part series, and when I do my three-part series it's usually like a hair review. So I'll start with an unboxing, and then I'll do like a check-in or styling video, and then I will do a full review on the hair, because a lot of people always ask me later like, well, how was the hair, and you know, did you like the hair? So what I usually do is I put them up, I record them early, but I don't put them up until I have all three of the videos recorded, because they are part of one series. I want to make it easier so that if you missed this video, you could go back to the last video and it's right there, or to the last video and it's right there. Okay, so again, this is going to be the first part to the series, which is an unboxing on Wondess Hair. They are an affordable company. I've seen a lot of people reviewing it, but I've never actually watched any of the reviews. So this is going to be a full first impressions on what the hair looks like straight out of the packaging. And then I'm going to do another video where I'm styling. I do want to show you how the hair styles. Okay, it is straight hair. So it came via UPS, and this is how it came in the packaging. Okay, so it's not like extravagant packaging. Literally just get your bundles and everything separately in these like plastic Ziploc bags. And the little bonus goodie is a pair of lashes. Usually I start with the bundles, but today I'm going to start with the frontal and show you what it looks like. So it looks pretty good. I'm sorry, I had to pull that out. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I think that it's definitely pre-plucked, which is a great thing, because I don't have to go in and do too much plucking to the hairline. As you can see, it gets a little thinner around the edges. Okay, and there's a lot of dips, which makes it good. Hopefully it looks natural when applying it. So this is what the frontal looks like in the back. I think this is the transparent lace, which means it will melt right into your scalp. I'm not going to be bleaching the knots on this. I'm literally just going to add my powder to this whole entire part, or maybe foundation or something like that. But I think that everything on this frontal looks really good, and this is how long it is. It's 20 inches, because y'all know I had to go with the longest lengths. I just love long. So this is what the bundles look like. Okay, and this is the Brazilian straight grade 10A hair, and I have two bundles of 26, a 24, a 22, and I have a 20-inch lace frontal to match. Okay, so it does feel pretty thick. It feels nice. As you can see, there is no like pattern to the hair, but we'll see after it is washed. So here is a close-up of the wefting, and as you can see, it looks pretty thick and it looks really good. So I unraveled the 26-inch, and it is a little longer than arm's length. So this is where arm's length starts, and then as you can see, you have just a little bit over that amount. So here's what the wefting looks like up close. As you can see, it is kind of like on the inside, so it is super thin, and your weft is going to lay really flat, which makes it really nice for if you're going to do the flip over method instead of cutting the wefting. It's going to be really flat. It looks really good. I didn't have any issues unraveling. So this is how thick the bundle is of 26 inches. I'm running my fingers through the hair without any issues. So this is what the 26-inch bundle looks like, and I'm just running my finger through it, and it goes right through. This is what the ends look like, and it does look kind of like split ends. It's a little thinner towards the ending of the hair. The hair is of course a natural black, but to me it's more kind of like a number 2. That's what it looks like. Natural black could be 1B or number 2 or number 4. Those like the natural colors it comes in, because that's what a lot of people natural hair colors are. But this one is more like close to like a number 2. It kind of looks like 1B at the top, and then it looks a little lighter towards the end like a number 2. So that's it for this unboxing. I'm gonna have a link to part 2 once it's up down in the bottom bar for you. Part 2 is going to be a styling video. Once I create my unit, I'm gonna come back and style it on camera, and then again part 3 is going to be like my full review, and I'm gonna tell you how the hair acted, the pros and the cons of the hair, as well as products. So stay tuned for those parts to this series. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna have the links to Wondess Hair down in the bottom bar just in case you want to check it out. And I do have a coupon code for you just in case you were thinking about buying this hair already, or you want to buy it in the future. It is Wondess Hair 2018. So I thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to thumbs me up, comment, subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.